Hey guys, welcome back. A lot of you have been telling me from Twitter, Instagram, Discord, even on Reddit that you're having trouble printing ABS. And I get it, ABS is tricky to print. So in this video I want to share with you my take on it. So stay tuned. Now, the first thing we have to do is adjust the hot end temperature. ABS doesn't like heat at all, so a print temperature between 80 and 120 degrees should be plenty. Thus, you shouldn't go too much than that because the ABS will start to degrade. Now, the next thing, the bed temperature. As I said, ABS doesn't like temperature at all, doesn't like heat. So just turn the bed off, or if you're in the winter season, just print outside. It's gonna make the part look so crisp. Next thing, bed adhesion. ABS sticks beautifully to whatever except clean surfaces. So avoid using PVA, hairspray, or whatever. Just add a drop of oil, grease, or even just touch the bed with your greasy fingers. That's gonna make the bed adhesion so strong. You need a hammer to remove them. The last thing, cooling. In PLA, you want cooling. When in ABS, it's the same story. Just crank it all the way up, and if you can, bring a leaf blower and blow while it's printing. You wanna make the part look so crisp, so good. The layer addition is gonna be so strong. So that's it basically. I don't know why you guys are having so much trouble printing ABS. It's not that hard. I mean, anyone can do it, right? So I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you the next time.